In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently record an expense in QuickBooks, making your bookkeeping tasks simpler and more organized. If you're a business owner or someone managing accounts, staying on top of every transaction is crucial. QuickBooks is a popular tool designed to make this process smooth and straightforward. So let's dive in and start by opening the QuickBooks application on your preferred web browser. To begin, navigate to QuickBooks' homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of options on your dashboard. Look for the button labeled New. This is your gateway to creating new transactions. Clicking on it will drop down a menu with several choices. And for our purposes today, we want to click on Expense. This option allows you to log costs paid out on behalf of your business, an essential task for keeping your finances up to date and accurate. After selecting Expense, you'll be directed to a new page where you can start filling in the details. The first field you'll come across is for the payee. This is where you enter the name of the company or person to whom you made the payment. Accurately filling out this part ensures that all your transactions are traceable and well documented. Next up is the payment account section. Think of this as specifying which of your business's accounts the money was drawn from, such as a particular bank account or a cash account. Selecting the correct account is key for tracking where your money is going and helps in accurate reconciliation later. The subsequent field is the payment date, an important detail for keeping your records organized and precise. Make sure to enter the date on which the transaction actually took place. This helps in maintaining the chronological order of your transactions, which is particularly helpful when reviewing your finances. Moving on, you need to select the payment method. This might be cash, check, credit, or any other form you've used to settle the expense. Recording the payment method can provide useful insights when analyzing your spending habits over time. Next, there are fields for entering a reference number and permit number. A reference number might be a check number or a transaction ID that helps identify the specific transaction in your records. If applicable, a permit number can be added, especially if the expense is tied to a specific project or permit. Further down, there's a category section. Here, assign the expense to the correct account category like office supplies, utilities, or travel. Proper categorization is essential for budgeting and financial analysis, as it ensures your expenses are aligned with your financial goals. The last thing before saving is the description. This section allows you to add details about the expense, providing context and aiding in future reviews or audits. Detailed descriptions can save time and clarify the nature of transactions when revisiting them later. Finally, after ensuring all fields are accurately filled out, click Save to record the expense. Saving these entries accurately is crucial for the integrity of your financial data. There you have it. Your expense is now recorded in QuickBooks. Keep practicing, and you'll find it's a powerful tool in managing your business finances more smoothly.